then you can go on there and take surveys. Once you take a survey for whichever product that you took the survey for, the only thing you will have to do after that is just go in the store, purchase that product. Whatever store that you purchased it at, it has to either be Target, Walmart, or Amazon. You're going to link that, you're going to relink your account, and then it's going to give you that cash back for the survey that you did. Guys, I highly, highly, highly recommend BRANDCLUB. So again, if you are not using BRANDCLUB, I will have it linked in the description box below for you. So I got back a total of $6.79 from BRANDCLUB. That brought my total down to $19.21. Then SHOPKICK has a rebate for the 9 elements, and it's for 50 buy kicks, which is equivalent to 20 cents. So $19.21 minus the 20 cents that I got back from SHOPKICK, that brought my total down to just $9 and a penny. Then I am going to submit, or I've already submitted my receipt to the PG Good Everyday for the P&G rebate. The P&G rebate is when you spend $20 on select P&G items, you will receive a $5 gift card. So the items that I got in this transaction that are included is the Tide Liquid, the Tide Pods, and then the 9-element bathroom cleaner. So all 3 of those items before any coupons totaled me $30.97. And when you're doing P&G rebate, in order to get the gift card of however much it is, it applies to the price paid after any coupons or discounts have been applied. So the total price for all 3 of these items before any coupons is $30.97 minus the $3 coupon for each item. That's a total of $9. That brought me down to $21.97. So since I'm at $21.97, that made me eligible to go ahead and submit my receipt in order to receive that $5 gift card. So when I do receive that $5 gift card in the mail, I will put it on my YouTube community tab and let you guys know. So $19.01 minus the $5 P&G rebate that I'm going to receive, that brought my total down to $14 and a penny. So $14 for all 5 of these items, you guys. That is an amazing steal for some laundry products, because just for one item you're paying $12.99. So to get all 5 of these items for $14 and the regular price is like $57, this is a steal, you guys. I had to go out and do this deal. Although I was a little bit disappointed in my Downy and Gain coupon not scanning, because I've used P&G coupons there in the past. Now, there was one time where none of my P&G coupons scanned. And then I also tried to use some Huggies paper coupons, but they didn't scan. And during that time, the cashier, they didn't push them through. So yeah, but I'm so grateful that the cashier typed in those coupons for me. So that is everything for this transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to the diapers and wipes transaction. Okay, so guys, with the wipes and the diapers, this week at Walgreens, the promotion is spend $100 and receive a $20 Target gift card. So I grabbed 3 boxes of the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers, this box of Huggies wipes, 2 of the smaller packages of wipes, and then I also grabbed this 3-pack of Huggies wipes as well. For the diapers, each box of diapers is priced at $25.49. The smaller packages of wipes are priced at $1.99, and then the 3-pack package of wipes is priced at $5.89. Oh, and then also the bigger box of wipes, these are priced at $15.19. So you want to make sure that you get to $100. That will prompt the $20 gift card. So with this transaction, we do have a $2.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Huggies diapers. Double check your account to see if there is either a 50-cent coupon for the wipes or a $1 coupon for the wipes. I used mine last week, which was a 50-cent coupon. I didn't have it this week, but that's okay, because if you don't have any digitals, you can submit to the coupons.com app. The coupons.com app has a coupon for $1 off when you buy 2. And then you can also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for $2.50 on another box of your Huggies diapers. So total for all of these items, guys, before any coupons, my total came out to be $101.53. In digital coupons, I only had one digital coupon, and that was the $2.50 for the Huggies diapers. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there are the diapers. All of them rung up at $25.49. As you can see, the $2.50 came off of one box. And then there is the $20 Target gift card that prompted. The Huggies wipes, 2 of those packages at $1.99, so $3.98. The 3-pack of Huggies wipes at $5.89, and then the box of Huggies wipes at $15.99. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $99.03. In red card savings, I saved $4.07. So $99.03 minus the $4.07 in red card savings, that brought my total down to $94.96. Then I did get back my $20 gift card for spending $100, you guys. So with receiving back that $20, it brought my total down to $74.96. Then check your Fetch Rewards account, because there is a rebate on there for when you spend $50 on Kimberly-Clark products, you will receive back $15, guys. So make sure you check your Fetch Rewards accounts to see if you have that rebate, because this is the perfect deal to do with that rebate. So I scanned my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of $15.99. I got back some extra points for the rest of my Huggies diapers. So $15.99, and that brought my total down to $58.97. Not only that, you guys, IBOTTA does have a rebate for the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers for $1. The limit is $5. But as you guys can see, I purchased 3 boxes, so I did get back $3 from IBOTTA. So $58.97 minus the $3 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $55.97. Then the best part, you guys, OMG, Brand Club. Again, Brand Club, I got back a total of $11.57. $11.57, guys. So I got back $150 for a Huggies reward, $2.80 for Huggies diapers, another $2.80 for Huggies diapers, $1.52 from Huggies wipes, and $2.95 from a Huggies reward. So that totaled me $11.57 that I got back from Brand Club. Again, if you're not using Brand Club, you're missing out. Go ahead and click that link and sign up right now. So with that $11.57 that I got back from Brand Club, that brought my total down to $44.40. But not only that, I got back, or I will be getting back, $3.50 from the coupons.com app, $2.50 for 1 box of the Huggies Snug and Dry, and then $1 for purchasing 2 packages of wipes. So guys, that brought my grand total down to $40.90 for all of these diapers and all of these wipes. Remember,